Day 6. Then got a few more of the panels down. Got all of the support down. Just have to take out a couple staples for that netting there. And then this area, minus that one piece right there, and the next one to it will be available for storing stuff. And I've already taken this panel down right here, and it's time to disassemble the dolls. Well, we definitely got a lot of it done. The dolls is completely gone, obviously, in addition to the clowns. And we have these stacked up here. Gonna have a little bit of angle for them just in case of wind. And started on the nun area. However, it's already sundown. It's past sundown. Gorgeous sunset. So we're gonna finish up here, clean up the cords and things that we got down, put them where they need to be so that we can start up again and crank this puppy out mañana.